In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix corrupted game files on Steam in 2025. We all know how frustrating it can be when you're gearing up for some game time, only to be faced with files that aren't cooperating. But don't worry, we'll walk through the steps to get those files back in working order in no time. Let's start from the beginning. First things first, make sure your Steam client is closed before we dive into any tweaks. Close it entirely by clicking on Exit. This ensures that any changes we make won't cause disruptions or retain the errors we're aiming to fix. Next, we're going to open Steam again. Once you have it up and running, take a look at the upper left corner and click on Steam there. You'll see a drop-down menu appear, and from the options, choose Settings. This is where we'll access some essential background features that can help solve our problem. Within the Settings menu, navigate to the Downloads section. Here, you're going to find an option to clear cache. Now, what this does is it purges all the downloaded cache from Steam, potentially rectifying file mismatch issues. It's a simple yet powerful measure to refresh your download data completely. Now let's move over to storage. By exploring this section, we can get a clearer picture of what's taking up space and possibly causing issues in your game library. Once you're in storage, look for the three dots. These act as your guide to additional options. Click on them and head straight for your library. In your library, you'll want to choose the specific game that's giving you trouble. Right-click on that game. A context menu will appear, and from here, we're heading to Properties. Properties is the control hub for your particular game. Click on the tab that says Install Files. You should now see the option to verify integrity of game files. This is a crucial step. What this does is cross-checks your game files with the ones available on Steam servers, downloading fresh copies if inconsistencies are found. Once that verification process is completed, try running your game again. Often, this fixes the issue. If your game still isn't working, don't worry. There's one more thing we can check. Go to your computer's search bar and type in Task Manager. Open it up and look for Steam in the list of running processes. If it's still lingering there, right-click on it and select End Task. This will fully refresh the Steam process on your computer. Now you can restart Steam and try launching your game again. With this step-by-step approach, we hope you've been able to fix those stubborn, corrupted game files. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!